Well, hey there, Ghost Cats and Ghost Kittens. It is Ghostcat Patrick. I am here at Origins Game Fair in Columbus, Ohio. It's the 50th anniversary of Origins Game Fair, and today I'm talking a really, really cool science-based, educational-based game. You're gonna love it.
Right, so we make unique games to play together. Our first two games are Diatoms and Uh Oh, Dino. Diatoms is a tile placement pattern making game where you are creating a microscopic mosaic out of single-cell algae, which sounds made up, but it's real. It's a real Victorian, very rare art form. And yeah, you are playing into a shared algae pond in the center of the table and then creating your own individual mosaic. And at the end of the game, everyone's mosaics are scored, and the highest scoring mosaic wins first place at the exhibition for microscopic arts. And then Uh Oh, Dino is a cooperative dinosaur game where you are playing as a family of stegosauri who are trying to rescue all of your eggs from a valley that's collapsing. Earthquakes are striking, tiles are shifting, cracks are opening up, lava pits are forming. Meanwhile, you are moving and leapfrogging over one another and stomping to hold the valley together, finding super fruit and eating it to trigger your super dino powers, and then carrying your eggs back to your nest in the back of your dino, between your bony plates. So that's what the dino meeples look like. And that's a co-op game, ages 5 up with co-play. This was our first game. We did a Kickstarter in 23. It shipped to backers in 24. It came to retail in March of this year. And then Dino is actually, we just finished our pre-order session, and this is the first time we've had the game available.
If I'm a game store and I'm just like, oh my god, these sounds like the coolest games in the world, or
yes.
I'm a school or something like that, I want these games, how can we get this?
You can email wholesale at ludoliminal.com. We also have a wholesale webpage on our ludoliminal.com webpage that has our link to Fair and how to get in touch with us.